Turn me loose from your hands. Let me fly to distant lands, over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains, home along the lane of the skyways. For this dark, lonely room projects a shadow, a casting gloom, and my eyes mirrors all the world outside, thinking of the ways that the wind can turn the tide. And this shadow turns from purple into gray, for just this skyline pigeon breathing of the open, waiting for the day he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the things you left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Let me wake up in the morning to the smell of newborn hay, to laugh and cry, to live and die in the brightness of my day. I wanna hear the pealing bell of distant churches sing, but most of all must free me from the sickening metal ring, and open all the skates towards the sun. For just this skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day when we can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the things you left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly, and what's a dream you left so very